Hey artists, it's Miss Wenzel here. I'm going to actually do the demo today. I've got a little setup here and at my artist station at home, and I'm going to show you guys how to draw a cylinder. So right now you've gone ahead and you've drawn a sphere and you've drawn a cube. Today we're going to try to draw a cylinder, which is a little bit of using those techniques that you've used both with the sphere and with the cube. So what you guys are going to need today is a pencil. I prefer wooden pencils. They're a little bit easier to shade with. You're also going to need a napkin. I use napkins just like from any place. This one's from Taco Bell, which is my favorite restaurant in the whole wide world. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, guys. If at any time I go too fast, you're always welcome to go ahead and just pause the video and get caught up, okay? All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get started. So when you're drawing a sphere, or excuse me, when you're drawing a cylinder, you want to start at the top. So the top is an oval shape. And whenever I draw, I'm going to do what's called sketching. Sketching is when you don't draw like a solid line. It's kind of broken. And you can see I kind of practice a couple times in the air to try to get that nice ellipse. So this oval right here, the technical term is an ellipse. So this is an ellipse. That's the name of the shape. All right, you can see that I draw really, really soft until I've got it right. And you can see that there are some small little mistakes here that I've already made. And I'm not really worried about erasing them, at least not yet. Okay, I'm pretty happy with the shape of my oval. It's pretty even. We're not going for perfection here, but try to make it look nice. All right, from there, I'm going to draw those straight lines going down. Notice, again, I'm sketching. I'm not trying to do a nice, perfect straight line all at once. It doesn't go as well. Perfect. I do the same thing on this side, going straight down. Guys, notice that I am using a well-lit area. I have my lamp on. If I turn it off, it's much harder to see. So guys, make sure you're always using a well-lit area to make your art, okay? All right, I'm pretty happy with that. Now guys, if you struggle making straight lines, you can always grab an extra sheet of paper like this, lay it on its side, line it up, and use that to make a straight line. Okay. Of course, if you have a ruler, you could use that as well. So that's only if you struggle with making straight lines. All right, once I've got my two straight vertical lines, I'm going to go ahead and do my bottom. Now my bottom is going to be curved, just like this is curved. See, I kind of messed up there. I'm going to fix that. Again, getting it perfect the first time is not the goal of drawing. The goal of drawing is to kind of develop a drawing that's the very best you can do. And guys, the purpose of art class is to get better. So if you don't start off shading and drawing perfectly, that's okay. That's why we're in art class. All right, pretty happy with that. I'm going to go ahead and erase my mistakes. So I'm going to clean that up. It's one of the benefits of using a wooden pencil is they usually erase really, really well. And guys, notice that I am using a piece of just solid white paper. Those of you that have to use lined paper because maybe you don't have white paper at home, check your printer at home, see if you have any paper in there. Or even I've seen some students drawing on the back of envelopes or junk mail that you guys were going to throw away anyways. That's an idea. So those of you that are not really happy with drawing on lined paper from like a notebook, look around the house, see if you can find